Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be installing and taking a look at Kali Linux for the very first time. Kali Linux is known as a kind of security defense OS and or the other way around, offensive security OS. And we're gonna take a look at it today. I got the 64-bit installation on my thumb drive right here. And if you guys want to learn how to create bootable USB drives, I got that linked down below on my channel as well. Alright, well, this is a really old Dell Optiplex 3020, or 320, and I'm really hoping that it'll work. This will actually prove that if Kali Linux can run on, older software or older hardware as well. I press F12, the boot menu, and whatever boot menu of your computer is as well. So we'll log into the boot menu of whatever your computer is. That's just log in and press one of the boot keys and you'll see the boot device menu, and we're going to select USB device, and then all I need to do is strike the F1 key. Then the graphical installer, just that quick as well, loaded. We'll press install. I see a lot of invalid arguments and stuff, this failed and that failed. Oh geez, I really hope that goes okay. Yeah, so I'll press English. I'll press United States. I'll do American English. Alright, so for some reason I got that error message and it didn't think that the USB thumbstick was there or the media was there. So I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and there we are. Okay, please enter the host name. Alright, enter my passwords and stuff. And my time zone. And it did detect a disk there. I hear it loading up, spinning up right now, so hopefully the serial disk will be okay. It's one of these. It's or AT-AT. All right, so on here I'm going to use guided, use entire disk, and we'll select the disk. And partition all files in one partition. Recommend for new users. We'll do it just like that. Yeah, I'm using finish now. This is one thing you want to look at. Are you ready? Because it will destroy everything on this disk. So, but I'm gonna press finish. And guys, I'm sorry. I know it seems like I'm going through this really fast. Feel free to pause the video if you need at any points to read a couple things. But I'm just skimming through it fast so that we keep in the right amount of time frame. Yes, I'm ready to save it in those confirm acquisition. So that's the type of hard drive. I'm actually using this exact one inside this computer right now, and I got a double of it. It's a Seagate 60 gigabyte Barracuda. It's an old generation one, but still spins up and works, I would say, pretty flawlessly. So that's gonna install. Alright, so here you can basically select what type of, desktop environment you would like. And so I press normal desktop environment, the KFCE, Kali's default desktop environment, and I want a collection of tools and just kind of the default stuff, and then I'll press continue. Alright, so it seems that the new installation is the only operating system on the computer, so it should be safe to install the grub loader to your primary drive. UEFI, partition, or boot record. Boot record is our old type BIOS for this computer. This is just telling you if you have another operating system and you install something, or it could corrupt that, or it could make it unbootable. This is the only operating system on this computer, so I'm not worried about this at all. So I'll press yes. So you need to make the newly installed system bootable by installing the grub bootloader in the bootable device. So I'll do. That's my actual hard drive. The bottom one is the flash drive. All right, so we're at the point where the installation is complete. Kali Linux is booting now. This is awesome. It is working flawlessly so far. Alright everyone, so this is the latest version of Kali Linux. And I'm going to do a part 2 in this video because I'm having issues with the password when I set it up. I watched the passwords I typed in, but for some reason Kali Linux is so secure that it doesn't think it's the password, so that's interesting. So Kali Linux is installed and running on Ancient Machine, and everything seems to work absolutely flawlessly. It takes a little bit to boot, but it's on an old serial hard drives, or AT-AT hard drive, not even a SATA, so it seems to be running pretty well so far. And, well, in part 2, we'll log in and we'll take a look at apps and stuff. And I want to say thanks for watching. I really hope this video helped you on how to install Kali Linux. I know I moved kind of quickly, but is what it is. Catch you in the next one.